This section shows you how to use Excel's accelerator keys and how to find quick reference for using them. I'll begin with a quick demonstration where I create a table and sum a few of the columns using shortcut keys. I'll select all of the data in the worksheet using the Ctrl plus Shift plus space bar, then hit the Ctrl plus T keys to create a table. The Ctrl plus down arrow key will take me to the last row of the table. I sum specific columns by holding down the Ctrl key and clicking the individual cells. I hit shortcut keys alternate plus equals sign to sum the selected columns. Let's begin with the search box. You can type SC or SC: to get a list of all the shortcut keys and their functionality. The three asterisks identify where the search terms were used in a video. Refine the search with further description of the desired shortcut. In my case, I'll add open to the search criteria. My goal is to open a workbook using the shortcut keys. The links, at the top of the page, provide access to shortcut panels, which are grouped by purpose. The press column in each panel contain hyperlinks that will display specific video segments. In summary, it is really worth the time getting shortcut keys built into your finger memory. Specifically, navigation and selection shortcuts.